Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. If you long Bitcoin earlier today, big congratulations. There was a lot of interesting things happening right now. In the last hour, just the whole market flipped. So it was going from everyone worrying that USDT was depegging to the market pumping massively just now because of the CPI data came out with inflation less month on month and less than expected, and there was a massive movement in the markets. I'm going to show you that it's now. Bitcoin also pumped. If you took that trade earlier today, hit the subscribe down there on your phone, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. My videos lately have been pumping 8,000 9,000 per video, which is crazy views. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in and I'm going to show you what happened with that. Look at Bitcoin. Look at this spike up on Bitcoin in the last 15 minutes. It went from 16,100 to 17,500 in just a second, which is very interesting. And it was the entire market. Look at this. It's the entire market, including stocks. Solana up 52% in a few minutes. It went from massively negative. Look at this on Solana. It went from $7.50 to $17 in the last day. FTD up 27%, Gala 21%, Ethereum Classic 21%, Doge up 21%. Someone thanked me in the last video for they bought Doge at 0.707 or something. ASX, ADA, Uniswap 16%, Ethereum up 16%, DeFi up 16%, MCRT up 10%, which is epic. I bought some earlier today. The crypto market's breaking above 820 billion again. BNB 9%, Bitcoin up 8%. Look at this, Meta up 4.86% in pre-market. The stocks also pumped. Tether holding its peg, which is good news. Apparently Tron moved 1 billion to protect the peg. So Bitcoin pumped. If you followed that video, I opened a long from down here, so that's very nice. We pumped back into this trend line. It looks in just this few seconds the FUD ended, which is very interesting. Bitcoin back into this. Look at that. Let's see if it closed the daily. Did it actually close the candle below? Yes, it did close the daily below, so it did make a lower low. It didn't do a double bottom, but look at this spike. Look at this spike in volume. Massive volume today. In the last 3 days, look at that volume, massive spike. That could be classed. It did piece lower, so we had one bounce here, and now one bounce here went lower. But that spike in volume, look at that volume coming in. 2 volume spikes. That's the indicator of a double bottom. Let's see what this means, but stochastic on the daily turning to head up, all of a sudden massive movement. In 4-hourly stochastic heading up massively. On the hourly stochastic moving up huge as well. Look at that candle in the last hour. It went from 16,400 to 17,500 in just 1 second on that CPI data. Also looks like a V-shaped recovery. And I called this in the video earlier today, so big congratulations if you went long there. I would go long on here. People forgetting the FUD, they're moving on quick. It just was oversold. It didn't drop that much. Why? Even though FTX is such a big bad news, the thing is that everyone that panic sells or everyone that got out of the market, yes, there was still a lot of panic yesterday, but they're mostly out of the market now. I bought a few Bitcoin earlier today as well, if you followed my video, so this is good news. I would still go long here on this bounce, on this big recovery bounce. I would wait till it pulls back a little bit and then go long. Stop loss just underneath, and the take profit at the top of this resistance, 21,000. You can see these lines are from earlier channels that I'll show you. You can see that was a down channel. So that's where I would take a long here on Bitcoin. And it's a nice one. I'd be risking $334 to make $3,869 without leverage. With 10x leverage, it'll be $38,690 of profits, or 220%. I'd open the Bitcoin long at 16,959, stop loss at 16,600, take profit at 20,800. That's the trade that I would take. Stocks up, Meta up another 5%, and yesterday 5%. I bought a lot of Meta if you've been following my videos, which is beautiful. MCRT, I bought MCRT today, also having a big spike up with this news, the whole market pumping in the last hour. MCRT also having a big spike up as well, which is beautiful. A lot of buying pressure there. What else do we have? Let's look at BNB, also up 10%. Massive movements in the last few hours. The market just having a huge recovery on that CPI data. I'll show you that data as well. If you want to trade, look at the Binance coin coming back into the triangle, but trying to break out again. If you want to trade Bitcoin, Underneath this video down below in the description, you can sign up to Bybit and you can trade using that link. Bybit is one of the safer exchanges, second biggest liquidity of Bitcoin compared to Binance. And you get up to 30,000 USDT bonus when you sign up to Bybit and start trading. Go down below in the description, sign up, $30,000 worth of bonuses. And you can also buy MCRT on there. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. Crypto is dangerous, etc., etc. This was my video from the last video earlier today. Bitcoin trader, beware massive price movement incoming. That was about, I made that video around 4 hours ago. Grabbed some Doge at 0.073, had buy orders at 0.6, 0.5 in case bigger dump, just waiting to see what happens today with CPI. Thank you, James. And he was right, because now Doge is at 0.9, so he made around 20%, which is beautiful. There was another post here. Good morning, Guru. You are the king. I love your technical analysis. It's been a wonderful time with you, James. Keep it up on the moon. I asked people, what do they think is safer? Most people said Bitcoin. My portfolio just hit over $1 million today because of James with expertise. Taking his master course is a must. I made over 1 million in the past 5 months. You can take the crypto master course in the link in the description. Best 1,200 investment, James's course. I just took your course. I love it. I'm very slow. You made it easy to understand. I'm ready to roll now. Thank you for helping me with my life journey. I'm in the process of buying $2 million house from your videos. Thank you, James. I went all in at 30,000. Just sold out this morning. Made 4 million. Thank you, James. And just many comments. This is Blazy, one of the characters in the game from MCRT. One of our graphic designers making these cool animations, but she's already in the game. Again, you can sign up. Go down below, everyone. Sign up to Bybit down there on your phone, and you can start trading Bitcoin or coins down there on your. Sign up to Bybit for that. You need to trade and do a lot of things for 30K. Very interesting what happened in the market. A lot of fluctuations, a lot of people panicking and movements in the market. Massive volume. Look at this. Solana up 51%, FTT 21%, Gala 21%, Ethereum Classic, ASX, Shiba 17%. Look at this market pump. MCRT 10%, total market cap up 9%, and it's the stock market as well. Bitcoin up 8.4%, huge movements. Thank you for watching, everyone. That's what's happening in the markets, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and comment down below, did you buy during this dip? Do you think this dip is over? Let me know your opinions. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.